Today we are doing a demonstration on the RMC Ox-Yoke Quick 6 revolver loading stand. Item numbers ML947, ML948, ML949, and ML950. First, add your pre-measured powder. Then add your Wonder Wads. Next, add your round balls. Twist the handle to seat the load. You can add the RMC Ox-Yoke Super Handle to have a better grip. Continue twisting the handle until the load is fully seated. Twist the handle in the opposite direction to retract the loader and add in your Wonder seals. Twist the handle back down to compress the seals into your load. Now your cylinder is fully loaded. You can take it to the range or you can put a cap and seal on it to store it for later.